Today's recipe is a cost-effective and easy one for a beginner who wants to try something a little bit different. Today's recipe is meatloaf. So let's get cooking. First thing we need to do is preheat the oven to 200 Celsius. Next we need to grease a 9 centimetre by 19 centimetre loaf base pan. Heat oil in a medium fry pan over a medium heat. Add onion and garlic. Cook stirring for 5 minutes until the onion has softened. Set aside for 5 minutes to cool. Next, grab a mixing bowl and place the onions along with some breadcrumbs, mince, egg, mustard, Worcestershire sauce and a half a cup of tomato sauce in the bowl. Exact measurements on these are supplied at the bottom of the video. Mixed until combined and spoon into the pan, level top with a spoon. Combine sugar and the remaining sauce in a small bowl and spread over the top of the mince. Bake for 1 hour or until meatloaf is browned and comes away from the sides of the pan. Drain the juices from the pan and set aside for 5 minutes and serve with potato, green beans and gravy. And that's how you make meatloaf. Now let's talk about the sauce. First thing you'll need to do is get a large skillet. Get some butter and heat it in the skillet until it's melted. Stir in some flour and cook for 5 to 7 minutes until mixture is deep brown, stirring often. Whisk in broth until smooth and simmer for 3 minutes, again stirring often. Reduce heat to a medium to low for 2 to 3 minutes until thickened. Stir in bouillon granules and pepper, stirring until combined, and season with salt as desired. And so if you'd like other easy recipes like this, then join my channel, which is Philip's Cooking Recipes. And until next time, bye for now.